Hello students, today we are going to start practice set 13. In this we will see question number 1, find the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. In this what you have to do, you have to start with the smallest table. We remember that in LCM you have to start with smaller table. So in this we will start with smaller. So see here I will write 12, 15. Now see here, in this, in 2 table, 12 go and 15 doesn't go. But no matter, we will take with 2 only. 2, 6 are 12 and 15 as it is I will write here. Be remember that as it is I have to write here. And again I will do this with 2 because 2 go in 6 table. So 2, 3 are 6, again 15 I will write here. Now that means 2 doesn't go with 3 and 15. Now here we will stop. We will try with 3 now. 3 ones are 3 and this 3 5s are 15. So here we complete this. So see how I will write. LCM is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 1 multiply by 5. You have to write this all numbers here and you have to multiply this now. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12 and 12 5s are, that is 60. So 60 is your answer. Similarly we will do second. 6, 8, 10. Here we will try with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now this doesn't go in table any table, so we stop here and write 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 5. So that means 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Now 24 5s are 120. So I am writing here 120. So second answer is 120. Now third one we will see 18 32. I am writing here 18 32. In this I will try this with 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry here. So 2 6 are 12. So we stop here. We write 2 into 9 into 16. Now 2 9s are 18. 18 16s are 288. So now fourth one. Again I am writing 10, 15, 20. In this again I will try with 2. 2 5s are 10. Now in 2 table 15 doesn't come, so I will write as it is 15. Now 2 10s are 20 and then I will try with 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So here we stop. We write LCM here. See here, 2 into 5 into 1 into 3 into 2. In this 2 5s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60. Here fifth one 45 86. Now again I will try with 1 45s are 45, 1 86 are 86. So your LCM is 1 into 45 into 86. Now here 45 into 86 मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे तो हमको आएगा 3870. Similarly we will see this 15 30 90. In this we will try with 2. In 2 table 15 doesn't come, so I will write here 15. Now in this 2 1s are 2, 1 carry 5, that means 2 5s are 10. Here also 2 4s are 8, 1 carry here, 2 5s are 10. Now I will try this with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. This 3 1s are 3, here 15, that means 3 5s are 15. So I will try with 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So we stop here. You write 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 3. Now see here, 2 threes are 6, 6 fives are 30, 30 ones are 30, this also 30, and 30 threes are 90. So here we stop. Now next is 105, 195. Now this I will try with 3. Now 3 threes are 9, 1 carrier 15. So 3 fives are 15. Here again 3 sixes are 12. Sorry, 3 sixes are 18. 1 carrier. This becomes 15. So 3 fives are 15. Now in 5 table I will try 5 sevens are 35. 5 ones are 5. 1 carrier 15. Now 5 threes are 15. Now here we will stop. See here 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. Now 3 fives are 15. 15 sevens are, that is 105. 105 13s are 1, 3, 6, 5. So here we stop. Now 8th one we will see 12, 15, 45. This I will try with 2. 2 6 are 12. In 2 table 15 doesn't come, so I will write here 15 as it is, and 45 also doesn't come, so I will write here 45. Now again I will try with 2. 2 threes are 6. Now 15 and 45 as it is. Now I will try this with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3. This becomes 15. So 3 fives are 15. Now I will try with this with 5. Now 1 doesn't come in 5, so 1 as it is. And 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1 into 3. Now see here 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. 12 fives are 60. 60 ones are 60. 60 ones are 60. Now 60 threes are 180. So here we stop. Now see next 63, 81. Now I will try this with 2. 2, no, it doesn't go by 2 because here 3 and here 1. So I will try with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 twos are 6, and here 2 carry 21. In 3 table 3 sevens are 21. Now again with 3 I will try 3 sevens are 21 and 3 nines are 27. Now 3 into 3 into 7 into 9. In this 3 threes are 9. 9 sevens are 63. 63 nines are 567. Now 10th one we will see 18, 36, 27. In this I will try with 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 ones are 2. 1 carrier. 2 eights are 16. Now here 27 doesn't come, so as it is 27 I will write here. Now 2 in 2 table 9 doesn't come, so as it is I will write 9. Now 2 nines are 18, and here 27 doesn't come, so as it is 27 I will write here. Now in 3 table this 3 go, so 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, and 3 nines are 27. Now again with 3 table 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and 3 threes are 9. Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 3. Now this 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 threes are 36, 36 ones are 36, and 36 ones are 36, and 36 threes are 103. 3. So here we saw stop. So in the next video I will show you question number 2. Thank you, students.